Okay, so in these times where we are hearing things like e-levy and taxes and what have you charges, people are taking advantages of those who don't have an idea of what's supposed to be charged and what is not supposed to be charged. So the Bank of Ghana has come out to warn the public about certain banks that will be receiving or be asking or be taking certain charges from them, which they are not supposed to take. So the Bank of Ghana is asking the public, all customers of any bank, to report that bank when they charge you some unapproved banking charge, so that they protect the well-being of customers. You already know the Bank of Ghana is the head of all these banks. So if you are a customer of any bank and you notice that the bank is charging you wrongly, or the bank is claiming some charge, Bank of Ghana says report them. The Bank of Ghana is asking customers to report to the central bank of any suspicious or unapproved charges from their financial institutions. Sometimes you have some money inside the account, maybe you go and then when you want to go and check it, they'll tell you, oh, it's not enough, or this is not the amount. Then when you ask for it, they'll tell you, oh, it is this and this and that charge. No, that was not the agreement in the first place. No, that was not what you were told in the first place. You get it? Your money that will be there, they'll come and charge you something from it. And then when you go and you want the money, they'll tell you that that's not the amount there. So if you are a victim of any such thing in any bank, please report them. We've been hearing a lot of this in different places. I've seen some even personally myself. So I just be very aware. Now Bank of Ghana says you can report them. So the good thing is that you don't have to worry, because you have proof that this and this is what it was and this is what it was not. So you just report to the Bank of Ghana, then they take it up from there. Back in June 2021, the Bank of Ghana warned all commercial banks and all those specialized in deposit taking institutions in the nation to abolish unfair charges in the banking sector. And after this warning, it seems some people are still trying their best to steal the monies of customers and to cheat those who have no idea of what they are supposed to be charging, those who seem to be ignorant of those charges. So the Bank of Ghana has come out with a statement noting that there are 7 charges being implemented by banks and of course SDIs, which are deemed to be unfair. They also claim these charges are inappropriate and detrimental to the financial inclusion agenda and the protection of customers' interests. Isn't it amazing how the customers will be given a lot of sweet words by these banks and promises and all of that, and then after they get their money, it's a different story altogether. It is like you rather are coming to ask for money from them. It's a very strange thing. I mean, and meanwhile the banks need your money to operate. You get it? So be very very aware that whichever banks you are working with, they don't cheat you. So far, Bank of Ghana has noticed about 7 different of them, which are unfair. You get it? So some of these charges include credit insurance premium overcharges. Also, there's also some maintenance fees on some savings accounts, which is also wrong. There's not supposed to be any such thing as maintenance fees on savings accounts. It's a savings account. Also, there's over-the-counter withdrawal charges, which is also supposed to be wrong, because you left your house and you came all the way to the bank, and now they're telling you have to be charged for over-the-counter withdrawal. It doesn't make sense at all. And then also there's change of ownership of collateral documents charge, which is not supposed to be charged. And then also there's application of interest on penal charges. Application of interest, that one to Bank of Ghana has deemed it to be a wrong charge. And then there's also a quotation of monthly interest rates on credit facilities. That's also not supposed to be there. And also third party deposit withdrawal violation. So when you listen to all of these and you feel maybe your situation is in any of these categories, tell the bank, hey, either you give me what I want as what is really the right thing, or I report you to the Bank of Ghana. If they tell you fine, you can go and report, just do so, and then you see what the Bank of Ghana will do to them from there. You get it? So please be on the lookout for certain financial institutions that may be trying to loot money out of you, especially when they do this, especially when your money is with them for a while. You go and then one day they will just tell you, oh, we reviewed some policies from beginning from this and this date. We started charging this. Be very careful. This is not all of them that you can trust. That's why sometimes you have to be very particular about the banks you work with. Don't always stick to one bank, and also don't trust any bank just because they've been good for a while. Things change, CEOs change, management change from time to time, so things are bound to happen. Yeah, so just be on the lookout. Just be on the lookout. Let me go over the charges that you are not supposed to be charged over, just for you to get clarity on, and so that you are not cheated. Okay, so these are those that have been listed by the Bank of Ghana. Credit insurance premium overcharges, maintenance fees on savings account. Sounds so ridiculous. Over-the-counter withdrawal charges, very ridiculous too. Change of ownership of collateral documents, application of interest on penal charges, quotation of monthly interest rates on credit facilities. Monthly interest rates, seriously. And third-party deposits or withdrawal violations. So those are what you need to know. Now we've heard recently that there's been an abolition of unfair fees and charges and other practices, and so this central bank is asking customers that are being charged to report any suspicious and unapproved charges from their financial institutions to them, so that they do their own investigations and take it up from there. And not only will these banks be reprimanded, you'll be giving your monies back. So yeah. But the warning came last year. You get it? So for them to now tell customers, that means that people are complaining, and then they've noticed that people are doing this, or that means there's been some investigation done to see that customers' monies are being taken unfairly. Right now, you have to be careful. I mean, why is everybody trying to squeeze money one way or the other from innocent customers? Why? Today this person wants this tax, tomorrow that person wants this charge, today this person wants this. Hey. Anyway, for you as a customer too, you have to be more knowledgeable about the type of work you are doing with a bank. You have to also be very sure of the charges. You have to be very sure of the charges they tell you, and also you have to be very sure that they are telling you the truth. You get it? Let it be very, very, very clear. This is what is happening, and this is what is not happening, and then you are sure that you are not going to lose your monies to any of these financial institutions. You get it? Right now, as a customer, when such things happen, insist on your right and report them to any financial report any financial institution to the Bank of Ghana. You get it? But you have to also be firm on insisting on what is yours. You get it? Many people are even regretting banking with certain financial institutions because they find out that they get to lose more than they profit when they work with these banks and with these financial institutions. So just be on the lookout, and also find out about those monthly and daily or whatever other charges they claim to charge for whatever it is you are doing with them. Whether it's an annual thing too, and be very careful that the rates and all of those things, so that you not be cheated, and then they'll come and give you some beautiful English, which is an excuse for the monies they are taking from you. Yeah, that's what they do. They'll take your money, then after that they'll come and give you some beautiful English, and then they'll let you go back home sad. Anyway, we are at the end of this video. Please leave your comments in the section below about what you think about these financial institutions trying to take monies from customers unlawfully, and also what you think about the Bank of Ghana's tasking of customers to start reporting them. Okay, thank you very much for listening and have a very nice day.